According to the U.S. Labor Department, in the last 12 months, unemployment rose by 2.2 million. By the end of 2009, 3.8 million more Americans could lose their jobs. You're more likely to lose your job if you don't have a college degree or vocational certificate. Going back to school will make you more marketable, more qualified, and more employable. People with a degree on average make over $25,000 more each year. That's $1 million more in your lifetime. But who's going to help you plan the strategy to continue your education? Education Connection is a free service with trained advisors that can put you on the right career path. Log on or call one of the Education Connection advisors and take a free test to find out what degree best suits you and whether online or on-campus learning is right for you. Education Connection's team will also discuss scholarship and financial aid options.
Get Education Connection's free success kit worth $100.